Microsoft Excel. Module 1. Excel Interface. Introduction to the module. In this chapter, you will learn the tools on the interface of Excel. Topics to be covered: columns, rows, the ribbon, dialog box launcher, contextual tab, customizing the ribbon, quick access toolbar menu, Tell Me and Smart Lookup, all charts, the Smart Lookup tool, the File tab, Backstage, columns. A column is a row of cells that runs vertically. Each column is identified by a letter. The column letter and row number of the first cell in the highlighted range of cells in the column are included in the name field. Rows. A cell line that runs horizontally. Each row is identified by a number. The column letter and row number of the first cell in the highlighted range of cells in the row are included in the name field. The ribbon. The ribbon is a panel that is organized by tabs and contains functional groupings of buttons and drop-down lists. Each application in the Office suite has its own set of tabs, some of which are shared, that correspond to the functionality of that application. Each tab is further subdivided into groups of buttons, such as the font and alignment groups. Dialog box launcher. A diagonal arrow called a dialog box launcher can be found in the bottom right corner of some groups. When you click this button, a dialog box for that group appears, with more option selections. Contextual tab. Depending on what you're working on, there are also contextual tabs that appear. When you select a picture that you've inserted, for example, the Picture Tools tab appears. Customizing the ribbon. You can create your own tab in Excel. The following steps will show you how to create your own tabs or groups. Right-click anywhere in the ribbon to bring up the context menu. Choose Customize the ribbon from the drop-down menu. Under the Customize the ribbon section on the right side of the window, click the button New Tab. In the list of main tabs, you'll see that New Tab has been added. You'll find New Group under New Tab. To create a new group, simply click once. A pane on the left of the Excel Options window contains a number of instructions. Select the command you wish to add to the new group by clicking. Select New Tab or New Group to rename the tab or group. In the bottom right corner of the window, click the Rename button. To hide a tab, remove the check mark next to the name of the tab. Select OK when you're finished. The ribbon will be updated to include the new tab. Quick Access Toolbar menu. By choosing or deselecting a menu item from the menu, you can add or delete things from the toolbar. The toolbar can alternatively be displayed below the ribbon rather than above it. Finally, the ribbon can be minimized. Tell Me and Smart Lookup. The Tell Me dialog box lets you enter keywords and phrases related to what you want to do next to quickly access features or actions. It can also be used to look up helpful information related to the topic. It is located on the menu bar, above the ribbon. The following explains how to use the Tell Me functionality. To see a list of commands and features, highlight your data and type a keyword or phrase into the dialog box. Based on the topic chosen, a drop-down list of selection alternatives appears. Select the command or function you want to use by clicking on it. Click Create Chart in this case. Create Chart. Select the command or function you want to use by clicking on it. Click Create Chart in this case. Recommended charts. Clicking Create Chart in this case causes Excel to evaluate the highlighted data and present a list of recommended charts for your data. All charts. You can choose from the recommended charts or the whole library of charts by clicking the All Charts option. The Smart Lookup tool. Smart Lookup utilizes Bing to deliver search results for the term or phrase you've entered. It may be found in the Insights section, under the Review tab. The following instructions will show you how to use the Smart Lookup feature. Highlight the word or phrase you want to find information about. Right-click it. Click Smart Lookup. The Insights window shows you the information that is relevant to your choice. Click the Exit X button in the top right corner of the Smart Lookup Insights pane to close it. The File tab. The File tab is located in the top left corner of the window. Backstage. When you click the File tab, you will be taken to the Backstage view. In Backstage view, you can do the following: save and close spreadsheets, get spreadsheet information, view and edit current files, create new spreadsheets and templates, share and export spreadsheets, print spreadsheets, get support. Close the Excel spreadsheet. When you select Print, you will be presented with a preview of your document. Back button. To leave the Backstage view and return to your document, click the arrow in the top left corner.